The need for having a good secondary school in Kasungu especially, because we need more boys and girls to be more educated, because once they are educated, you find that they will be able to develop the district Kasungu itself, even the country as a whole. Yes, there is a particular need for a secondary school in Kasungu because of the high population of the boys and girls in primary schools. We have a lot of boys and girls in primary schools. Most of the primary schools are overcrowded. So because of the few secondary schools which are in Kasungu, this one at least will make more of the boys and girls to be in secondary school. Really, girls need to go into secondary school because they say once a girl becomes educated or goes to school, she'll always educate the nation, because what she learns there, she's able to share to everybody. The challenges the girls face mostly, if they go to a just secondary school, they'll come from home. So most of the work they do there involve them much. So they spend most of the time at home than in school. They will find problems that when they are going to school, maybe there's a sick child in their house. So the mother will say, no, don't go to school because I want to take the child to the hospital. So you look after the house. So you find that that girl will never go to school until all the problems in the house are finished. So when there is a boarding secondary school, that will assist the girl, because the girl should be there all the time until she closes school is when she'll go home. And she'll learn much there because there'll be no disturbances. Here at Jesuit Secondary School, there is a great hope, because we know that our learners are going to be highly educated because of a high education which is going to be there.